We've been doing this for a while now. Showing people around your trails, helping them scale your heights and explore your endless depths. Wanting them to see you the way we always have. For you are more than magnificent landscapes and breathtaking views. You are more than echoed statistics and headlines on the news. You are laughter, you are adventure, you are kindness, you are hope. And you are pretty damn incredible. But as we wait for the world to heal, times are changing and so are we. And until we meet again, we will look back fondly and look forward patiently. Because with you, every day is an experience, one nobody should miss. Take it from us. We've been doing this for a while now.